you tuned in, you're new to the channel, please do subscribe, help the channel to get 2,000 subscribers. To everybody, I hope you're having a great Christmas day. I do, guys, if you don't know, I do have a part-time editor in Germany called Luke. I remember I put out a video asking people to help me out with somebody be interested in editing for the channel. And Luke reached out to me, and I'm glad that he has, because it's great to have him on the team basically, because his editing is way better than mine. I mentioned him about making a video for Christmas Day for my subscribers and everybody that comments below. You know, you guys know who you are. Just something different, just to give to you and think you might enjoy it. I won't have another video out maybe till Monday. So until the next episode, guys, please stay safe, have a great Christmas day, and I'll talk to you in the comments. Peace out and keep it lit.